Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix liquid glass UI like in iOS 26. If your liquid glass is lagging or is not there, as you can see mine doesn't work almost, it's just like not that good. We need to open these settings and scroll down to the display and brightness over here. Here tap liquid glass and tap clear. If you have it clear, tap tinted and back again clear. Now everything should be fine. Apart from that, you can hold the finger in the background, tap edit, customize, and if you had your icons cleared, tap for example tinted, tap dark and clear back again. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.